Let's connect AppsFlyer to wecantrack so your conversions track automatically. From the left menu, open Data Sources, then Affiliate Networks. Search for AppsFlyer in the list. Open it, then click Create Account. Give your account a name you will recognize later. AppsFlyer connects with a Postback URL. A postback is a server-to-server message that tells we can track the moment a conversion happens. Click a Create Postback URL and wecantrack generates your unique postback URL. Copy it, then in AppsFlyer, open Partner Integrations. Select your partner and paste it into the Integration tab as your global install postback. Back in wecantrack, your AppsFlyer account is now connected and ready to track conversions. That's it, no developer needed. Check our other integration guides.